In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion's new button feature. First, open the Notion website in your browser. Once your workspace loads, navigate to the page where you want the button to live and place your cursor exactly where you'd like it to appear. To insert the button, type a / followed by the word button. From the menu that appears, click the button option. Notion will insert a button block and open its settings so you can customize it right away. Start by naming your button. Pick a short, clear label that tells you what it will do at a glance. A good name makes your page easier to scan and helps teammates understand the workflow without extra instructions. Next, click New Action to define what happens when the button is pressed. You'll see options such as Insert Blocks, Add Page, Edit Page, and more. Insert Blocks lets you automatically drop a set of blocks beneath the button, like headings, checklists, callouts, or any content you want to reuse. This is great for quick templates inside a page. Add Page creates a brand new page when the button is clicked. You can target a database or a specific location so your new page is created exactly where you need it, which is perfect for standardizing new tasks, notes, or projects. Edit Page updates an existing page, often the one you're currently on, by changing its properties or content. This is useful for things like flipping a status, adjusting a due date, or filling in standard fields. Feel free to explore the additional actions listed. Notion's button feature is designed to be flexible, and the available actions continue to evolve. You can also add multiple actions to a single button. When you do, they run in sequence with one click, allowing you to insert blocks, create a page, and update details all in one smooth flow. Rearranging actions can help you fine-tune the order so everything lands exactly where you expect. When you've set it up the way you want, your button is ready to use. The name you chose will display on the page, and each time you click it, your selected actions will execute. If something doesn't look right, reopen the button settings, tweak the actions or the label, and try again. Keep experimenting with the options available so you can tailor the button to your workflow and make routine tasks faster, clearer, and more consistent.